and welcome to Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Emma, and this week we're going to explore the eco-friendly side of Twinkl Australia, Twinkl Green. Twinkl products can be printed and used in eco-friendly formats. Let's first find out about Twinkl Green. Go to twinkl.com.au and scroll to the bottom of the page to find the Twinkl Green hyperlink. This link takes you to a user guide about Twinkl's ink-saving resources. In this guide, there are instructions for printing Twinkl alternatives with varied ink levels, as well as tips on how to use your printer in an eco-savvy manner, or alternatively go paperless with our digital resources. Because this month Twinkl Australia is focusing on well-being, let's see how we use a well-being resource in an eco-friendly way. At the homepage, we're going to type in well-being and select the Winter Health and Wellbeing Unit Plan template. Click View Resource. You can see this resource has an eco-friendly symbol in the right corner. Instead of clicking Download like we normally do, click on Select an alternate version. You can then click to download it as a super eco color version, or even the more eco-friendly black and white format. I'm downloading both, and they download as a file at the bottom of your browser. Here we can see the black and white, and then the color eco version. These versions save on ink usage. Let's now see how we can still save ink and maybe the planet when we create our own resources using Twinkl Create. We're going to create a well-being bunting. Once we've finished designing it and have given it a name, it's time to hit Create. But instead of hitting the orange Create button like usual, you can click Create Eco. It then processes and downloads as an eco-friendly format. This has been Twinkl Tips Tuesday. If you have an idea for a topic you'd like us to cover in a Twinkl Tips video, comment below and join us next week for some more Twinkl Tips.